Today, you will learn how to multiply pictures in Word. First, go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, choose your image, and insert it. After that, click the picture and make sure the Layout option is set to Inline with Text, so image does not move freely. Now, resize it to the size you want by dragging the side dots or go to Picture Format tab and Size section for exact image size. You can also crop the image to your exact size. To make more copies, select the image and click Copy or press Ctrl-C on your keyboard. Now, a helpful option is to temporarily turn on the non-printing marks, which are helpful to place multiple pictures. If you want space between pictures, press Space key, or Tab key if you want more space. If you don't need any space between pictures, simply paste the pictures by pressing Ctrl-V. Keep doing this until you have enough pictures on the page. And that is it. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.